How do you model this?
Start by creating a basic sphere. Press T to bring up the manipulator tool and increase the subdivision level to around 32. Switch to edge mode, select the two edges loop and detach them. Turn on Symmetry, select the matching loops on the other side and detach those as well. Moving to face mode, select the detached faces, extrude them inward and add a bevel to clean up the edge. Now select all the faces, deselect the central area and extrude the rest to build more depth. Select these border edge loops and bevel them for a smooth shape. Jump back into object mode, separate the mesh and select these pieces and delete them. Then select the remaining border loops, bevel them again for a cleaner outline. Finally, select the outer objects and apply a mirror to complete the symmetrical Sci-Fi Eye shape. And that's the full process for creating this Sci-Fi Eye base in Maya.